Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a decent weekend in quarantine. It's pretty crazy, right? And we're in quarantine, but start feeling sad out there a little bit. Going on, everybody? Pro Trader. I had that thing running in the background. Sorry about that. So, thanks for attending the Mojo Day Trading show tonight. We have some cool things to go over. Absolutely. Let me just fix this here. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, we have some cool things to go over. I got the Corona discount going on tonight and the Mojo Challenge. I'll explain both of those for sure. Let's head on over right here. See what's going on with the futures. Now, the futures right now down 258. Am I surprised? No. They used to go up every day for a long time. Now they're down. So let's just save this little futures thing. These are the futures. F-U-T. So I'll paste that up into the Mojo Day Trade room. This is the Mojo Day Trading chat room. This is where all the action happens. I marked off all these people. Let's see who's still here. We had Waldo and Don and all these guys I messaged before. They're still offline. We have offline 167 of my boys and some of these guys. All right. I sent you guys some messages. Hope you guys come on. The only one online is Dayflame. These are the pro traders that are in the room right here. Everybody in this category has been with me for 1 to 3 years. I've all taken my course, Mojo University, which is a free course right now. I got a message from someone. Oh, premium octo. Message, something's going on. Anyway. Going on, guys? I tell. Thanks for messaging me during my show. Appreciate it. Like a hole in the head. Amazing. I tell these people during the daytime. During the daytime. Don't even bother me during my Mojo show. So this guy's got to come on into the room and bother me during the Mojo show. And the room ain't even open now. Amazing. Amazing. Guys like that don't trade too well either, unfortunately. They have a hard time following the rules. You know what the rules of trading are? It's simple. Don't go outside when there's a coronavirus outbreak. So what do the people do? They go outside. Those are the people that can't follow the rules. They're not going to do too well in trading. The guys that could follow the rules, they do pretty well in trading. What would be some of the rules? Let's check it out. Those would be some really helpful tips in trading. Let's see what we got here. I need some better. I need some of this. A little bit of that. Let's see. What is day trading? Day trading is buying and selling stocks throughout the day and closing all positions in a cash position by the end of each trading day. Because what the real main factor of today's show is how to start your own day trading business and be your own boss, work from home, make $1,000 a day, more than that, less than that. No experience is needed. Free education is supplied. Financial freedom is right there for you. Absolutely. Day traders, stocks are sold right into the first surge and properly maximized. Traders that trade in and out throughout the entire day, you usually wind up over trading. You're not able to recognize the power of what I call the MOJO wave theory. What's the MOJO wave theory? Well, it's very, very simple. I'll show you on my page right here. So let's say you're in the first trade of the day, guys. Oop. Show you right here. So let me show you what wave theory is. I have a lesson board for it too, but I'll just easily show you what it is. What wave theory is this? Check it out. You buy a stock right here at the beginning of the open of the market, and the thing usually makes a 3-bar run. Really nice. It's so cool when that does that, man. Isn't that cool? Mojo usually likes to nail those through Hines. And let's say on that wave right there, that's the first wave. It's a big freaking wave, dude. Whatever the thing is that you're trading, if it's a $5 stock, that wave may be 50 cents. If it's a $50 stock, that wave may be $5. Follow? That's what happens. And you make a really nice trade. And then it goes down. And all this takes a little bit of time. It's the first wave. So you're in right there for a 50 center, or maybe even a $5 banger. Now let's go on to wave 2. Wave 2, on that same stock you're trading, I'd look for 25 cents and maybe $2. Because it's the second wave. It's not going to be as big as the first wave. And then this is lunchtime. After this wave, it's 12 o'clock. You should be done for the day. The third wave, you're going sideways. You're going to get on the third wave, you're going to get a nickel and 50 cents. Where you got $5 before, and you got 50 cents. You're going to lose 10 times factor. That's what I got. That's what I'm telling you. That's a fact. That's called wave theory. Day traders take advantage of price fluctuations that occur throughout the trading session by buying stocks at low prices and selling them at high prices. Oh, that's very simple. Easy to understand on that. So basically what you look to do is any particular stock, what we're going to do is it goes like this, just as I showed you. So what you want to do is you want to buy down here. That's happy. And then that thing runs up. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. And now right here, you start to sell a little bit. Sell half of it. And then raise right here, the floor higher. So if it reverses, you're out right here, worst case scenario. Now it even goes higher. Look at that. Look at that. Now it goes higher. The people bought it right here are like, oh my gosh, look how smart I am. But you're selling more. You're in such a good profit scenario. So then you sold 3/4 of it right there. And maybe even sold all of it right there. It even goes a little high, but eventually it's going to reverse. And when it reverses and you sold up there, there's your floor now. So you raise up that floor. The worst case scenario, you're out right there. That's a great trade. So you're always buying low and selling high. And then it reverses, and then you start buying low and start selling high rather than the other way around. It's against human nature to buy low and then sell high. People just want to chase up and buy the high. And then what happens? It comes down. Oh, I can't be wrong. Oh, it comes down. I can't be wrong. I must be wrong. Oh my gosh, I may be losing all my money. Wow, I am losing. Oh my gosh, I'm going to sell it right now and I'm done with it. Wow, I got destroyed. And then the thing goes back up. Mojo bought you down here when you were destroyed. Me and Warren with the Warren Buffett. So if you want to see here in a perfect example of that, let's head on over to some of the charts, shall we? Look at these. Look at this. Boeing. Look at Boeing, huh? Amazing. The Boeing right here. Let me just make sure I'm live on my TikTok. The Boeing right here. Let's go back 1 month. They really did it. Really did it. No, I'm not live. Not live on the TikTok. Oh well. Site's got some issues. Anyway, let's go and check out this chart right here on Boeing a month ago. So when the coronavirus hit and they said Boeing is going out of business, I think they said that like right here. Boeing right here was the best company since sliced bread. Since sliced bread. Let's full screen that. So right down here, boys and girls, this stock was $95 per share. The date was the 20th, 9 days ago. Holy, what are you kidding me? The stock went bink to 180. It went up 100%. 100%. Can you believe that? Look how long it went sideways for. And then look, boom. And then it goes right here, 100% move right there. It dropped from 350 to 100. Then it went from 100 to 200. So as I'd mentioned, anybody who owns a stock that may look like this is how you get out of it. If you own it up here, and now it's down here, and you're down 100 points, sell it for a loss. It's never going to go back up here. Ever. And I said this on the drop week and a half ago when it was down here. I said trade it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. 20 times for 5 points each. You would have already done that and made 100 points. The stock is 162. It's not 350. You'd still be down 100 points here. But now you're even. Because you know the stock. You've been in it for this long. Why not trade around your core position? What do you care about the stock at 350? It burned you at 350. Start trading it and loving it at 162, 150. Every single stock is like that. Every single stock is like that. Went on sale and then it came back. Disney. I don't know if it just comes up, does it? No, I have to come back here, back. But every single stock, all in the Dow 30 did that. What's going on there on YouTube? I think I fixed my camera a little bit. Going redhead. What's up, Charles? What's up, Ohas? Arthur? Nice. Arthur's telling everyone about the MOJO, but no one even wants to do it. FDA approves a 5-minute coronavirus by Abbott Labs. Already have it, dude. It's funny. You want to see? Already got it, buddy. This newsletter went out, you know that. All right, here's my pick on the Abbott. But the only reason why I picked this one is because of that. Right here. This was my pick on 327 down here, you could see. I already had Abbott Labs, bro. 7456. They develop a generic pharmaceutical diagnostic system, nutritional supplement, vascular ophthalmic product. Abbott Labs. They've got like a 3-minute test going on. In 3 minutes, they'll tell you if you got the corona. In 3 minutes. Show you these guys right action right there on that Abbott. 12 hours ago. Right here, results in 5 minutes. Share that to my fans. You know, I have I got a lot of followers on Twitter, man. I'm up to almost 54,000, dude. 54K. Right there. 53.92. Almost at 54,000. It's a lot of followers. It takes a lot of... The followers don't come easy nowadays, dude. They don't. But I've been doing this for a long time. There's my setup up there with my 3 monitors. See that? My 3 monitors, dude. You got to have a setup like that. I show you in Mojo University, the course, how to set up your trade station, what components you need, all that great stuff on these learning boards down here like that. How we like to take advantage of the price fluctuations. Day trading is entirely speculative and not based on any fundamental analysis. It's an understanding of how various factors affect the price is vital to a day trader. Vital. That didn't work too good. That didn't work too good. Damn. Dude, so Abbott Laboratories has this ID Now COVID-19 test that runs on its ID Now platform, which is the size of a small toaster and can be used by physicians in urgent care clinics. Abbott Laboratories said it received emergency authorization from the FDA. Boom, beautiful. Beautiful. I got Teva, dude. When's Teva gonna go, dude? I got Plaquenil. I said Plaquenil before Teva said Plaquenil, dude. Come on now. Hook me up with that Teva run. Like Abbott's gonna run. Illinois-based farm said its molecular point care test for novel corona is the fastest test available. Deliver a negative result in 13 minutes. Test doesn't have to be administered by a hospital. You know what movie I saw last night? Contagion. With the Ebola. No, I saw 93 it was. Dude, with the Ebola outbreak. When that first happened out there. Damn. What I'm telling you. But luckily now we're all very much more smart. The team, the scientists. Oh, look, Warrior Trading invited me to a free webinar. Ross is going to show me how to trade. Thank you, Ross. I appreciate that. Couldn't be more nicer. But he'll charge you at the end $3,000 for it. Oh, my systems and my education's a little bit better. And free. So yeah, that was Abbott Labs. I got some good ones in the newsletter. Newsletter's going out in 9 minutes. It's 8:21. The newsletter's scheduled for 8:30. 9 picks. Headed out the door. Headed out the door. Oh, All right. Oh, here's my comic for tonight. Pretty cool comic for my swing. Comic says, I'm telling you, that's the coronavirus. He's drinking a Corona. I'm telling you, Pro Trader Mike's the damn best stock picker in the world. The Spanish flu and Black Death, he says, I agree. He did pick Teva and Plaquenil before anyone else does. Yeah, I agree. My comic for tonight. Got a lot more comics on my website right here. If you go to MOJODayTrading.com, you come over to more and go to the comics. Got a lot of cool stock market comics. While you're at home, you really have nothing to do. Check out MOJODayTrading.com. These every week. There's a newsletter that goes out with a comic. Here's the catch up. Damn Hurts. Got to hit it 50. How many? 57 shots to get the catch up out on that one. Yeah, that's a good one. UVXY. Look, on 12/15, I told everyone on December 15th, we're the UVXY resistance. Follow Pro Trader Mike. UVXY ETF, what the F? I was like, dude, give me a break. It's $12. But I'm the resistance, man. I'm going to stick with it. And the stock went to 135. Yeah, boy.
Bro, you nailed it.
Thank you, my man. Thank you.
Well, yes. That's awesome. That's awesome. That is awesome.
This was during Santa time. Elf, add Pro Trader Mike to the top of my list. His picks are always ho, ho, ho higher. This is on November. I'm with Turkey Day, dude. I'm telling you, Pro Trader Mike said plant-based foods is the new future. I want to donate all my Beyond Meat stock to him should I die under any circumstances. Who writes these? Dude, I'm the #1 trader in the Mojo chat room. Now they all want to have me over for dinner. Some cool ones, man. Mojo writes that. Give thanks to all the bounty that Pro Trader Mike has blessed us with in the past few months. Hey, buddy, come on and take it. I have a really good penny stock for you. What else? Stock futures open low as Corona's cases stop 700,000 globally. Yeah, we know that. Oh, that's a cool picture with the Benjamin with the mask on him.
Purple seat cushion with this open air design.
I like that. I like that picture right there with that the Benjamin with the bill. But I'm not going to sit there through that video. CEO's algorithm glossary of the Fed's arsenal of bazookas. What is that? Bazooka, like the gum? Let's see. The novel Corona continues to grip businesses on Main Street. Dude, he extended it into May. He extended it into May. You know what they need to do? Say, dude, your taxes? Dude, they're going to send me money? No way, dude. Instead of me paying you freaking all my money in taxes, give me a freaking percentage break, baby. I'd be talking. Dude, so Trump extends, dude. Trump extends the quarantine. Past April, bro. Can you believe it, dude? An hour ago. Can't believe it, man. Oh, dude, past April now. We're in trouble. My kid, he hit a home run over the fence the last time he was at bat, and now he doesn't get to go up and play again. My daughter doesn't get to graduate. Every businesses are closed. It's the worst, dude. Trump speaks out during the news conference. He said on Sunday he'll extend aimed at a slowing spread of the corona April 30th from his original target of April 12th. Ugh. And now that's going to go into May. So you're looking at June. That sucks. Yeah, I got some. You gotta get some. Everyone's wearing masks, dude, and gloves and stuff, and it's bad going out, dude. All I do is go to the supermarket, and they're all out of something. So you got to go to another supermarket, and they're all out of something and stuff. So I got the SA Fish mask. It's coming. I already got my delivery action on it right here. Sailfish Tapestry face shield right here for the women. It's beautiful. Check that baby out. You honeys, you honey mamas, check that mama out. That's what we get for you right there with that nice cool hat. You go in with the glasses, camouflage. You get the 5-pack going right there. So I got these right here. I got an arm shield for golf too. I said, well, what the hell? You know, I already got the face. When I throw in one of them for the arm shield for golf, I'm like, cool. Like that. You know, see what I got for the arm? Look, they had this carbon fiber one, like you're a robot. You know what's cool one? They have these tattoo ones. These are cool. Tattoo, like you're Aquaman and stuff. Golfing with a tattoo. Isn't that cool? Them arm sleeves. And then I got these right here. These multi-use face shields right there, baby. Little pack. Multi-use face shield. Yeah, there you go. Look at them babies. There you go. You go out like that. See that? Better than those stupid masks. Just as good protection, man. No one be coming near me when I'm looking like that. No one be coming near me when I'm looking like that guy coming, right? There's Moch coming. Damn. So that's essays. I got some of those babies. Yeah, here's with the Caddyshack. Follow your caddy and then you can get your mojo going. So right up here on my website, guys, I have this thing called the challenge. Check it out. This is for all new traders. This is the Mojo Challenge. First of its kind day trading challenge. This is how you set up your day trading business. Okay, most traders you need, I don't know if you know this, it's called the pattern day trader rule. It's called the PDT rule. Hopefully they will abolish it. There have been petitions that have gone around. Petitions to ban this particular rule. Pattern day trader. FINRA, how can you overcome it? Explained. Warriors all over the place. Every ad he's advertising like crazy. So right here, a pattern day trader is the regulatory designation saying you're a piker and you don't have $25,000 to be sophisticated like other traders should be in the market, because you shouldn't be able to buy and sell Twitter or Facebook or Apple or any particular stock in the stock market because there's 30,000 of them and all we do is talk about it all day long, but you're not sophisticated enough to trade it unless you have $25,000 extra cash, and 25,000 is just what you need to satisfy the rule. If you go $1 under, let's say you start with 25 grand and you lose $1, they restrict your account. You got to deposit $1 to get back to 25,000. So you better start with 30,000, because if you lose 5, then you're down at that level where you have to add more. And you shouldn't be day trading with $25,000 unless you have $250,000 in the bank. Then you can take 10% of that and day trade. Who the hell has that? Nobody. That's why not a lot of people can day trade, because the FINRA and the rules, before Trump was there, Trump would be like, dude, what? He probably doesn't even know about this. You'd be like, what are you, crazy? You can't day trade, bro? Who the hell's stopping you, Mike? I'm like, dude, these old fogies that died already, dude, years ago. They said you need 25,000 in a brokerage account to be like a sophisticated trader. He's like, Mike, dude, your picks are solid, bro. Remember, I've been in the room for a long time. I know, DT. Donald, DT. You know, we play golf on Trump National for a long time. So he's going to maybe do something. But right now, you're all stuck. So what do? You got to go with like a firm. There's many of them out there that supplies traders with capital to trade. I've got one. It's the same firm that I'm trading with every day that you see right here. Called the trading firms, right? It's called Pioneer Trading Group. And they supply traders with capital. All you need is between a minimum of $1,000 to start day trading. You trade the firm capital. You could trade in the pre-market and the after hours. You could start with as little as $1,000. You keep all the profits that you make. You get the level 2 and the access and the fast execution platform. International traders is perfectly fine. The first thing you do, though, you have to take my MOJO University course, and that's free. How do you get the course for free? It's in these 5 steps. The first step is joining the MOJO Day Trading chat room at a discounted rate of $99. That does not include my swing trade newsletter because you don't have money to swing trade. Wait a couple of months till you make money day trading. Then you can open up another account for swing trading and you can get some of those picks. I need some of this. That's the best. That's how you keep it going in the quarantine. See? That's how you keep it going. You gotta have that white powder, man. You don't got that white powder, you can't trade. That's how you get the white powder. Right there on top of that brownie. You don't got good snacks, and you don't got a good sense of humor, good attitude, good cup of coffee. There ain't no way you can trade, baby. Gotta be well prepared. That is delicious. Cheers. So you're going to join the chat room. So step 1, click this button. That happens to be a subscription. Every month it'll renew because we're going to spend a long time trading together. If you don't want to renew it after 1 month, just cancel at any time. It's month to month. Step 2, you need that trading platform. The same one you're going to trade the real live money on, but this is going to be in demo mode. We'll load it up with $60,000, $100,000, whatever you're going to be starting with. If you start with $5,000, you load it up with $100,000 because that's what you're going to be getting in buying power after month 2 when your firm boosts you up in buying power. So you trade $60,000 to $100,000 in simulated virtual money, and you take the MOJO University course while you're doing that. This is a one-time charge of $99. It's step 2. So one time, it's for 1 month. It's to get the data feed and the platform. That's step 2. Boom. Step 3, you're going to enroll in MOJO University course. I'm going to load it for you as soon as I see you enroll because it's $1,497 for the course, but I'm going to give it to you for free. It's the same course that all the hundreds of pro traders in my room today have paid $2,000 for, have taken several times, and are still with me today. It's payback time and pay it forward for all you new traders. So I'm blessed, be power more to you to use the money you would be using for the education to fund your trading account. That's the beauty. Because so many other people have day trading courses and other ways to learn how to trade, but it costs money. And what if their systems are really great, or strategies, or whatever they're doing and teaching, and it meshes with you, but something happens and you mess up? Oh, you learned on your money. Nothing worse than learning on your own money. So see if the education works for you for free. Use the money that you would to trade, and then if it's working, you got 3-4 steps ahead of the game, instead of having to always be back and then come forward from blowing up and this and that. Okay? You're going to take reviews as you're trading every day. You'll be in the chat room with me. We'll do a trader review. I'll go like this. I'm going to be like, okay, guys, in the chat room, I'm looking over at the, who wants a review today? Who wants a review? And I'll do those reviews with the traders, man. Hey, Dante Rico. Yeah, so is Ross, dude. You're going to make $40,000 so you can donate next year also, huh, Dante? The same thing. That's you're going to bank. Whose money, whose room you're going to bank it in, with me or Ross next year, Dante? I saw you today on Ross's thing. You were cranking it out, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Nothing gets by the Moj, dude. Come on now. Dude, nothing gets by Moshish. I saw you, dude. I saw you action.
Oh, yeah! Wow! One word. Wow!
What I'm talking about, killer. Saw you, Dante, hanging out with Ross today. Ross is doing a little donation, man. 44,000, 08 something. 44 and 030, 44,008 something. I could see it right there in my mind. 44,083. 44,083, I think. 44,083. Let's see. 44,083. Warrior. 44. 303, dude. I was free, and I knew it had some pennies on it. I knew it. I knew it, dude. Fucking dude. No numbers get by the Moj. No names. No, dude, I'm an all-seeing internet. I'm like the Matrix, dude. You know what I'm saying? Damn, Mojo's all over the place on the internet, dude. Wow. Yeah, I busted you red-handed, Dante Rico. Busted you red-handed. Any willing to share your layout? What are you talking about, kid? Yeah, that don't happen. No one's sharing no layouts with you but Moj. But the Moj. Yeah, so as this guy said in my room, guys, let me finish with the, this is great. This is perfect. So check it out. This guy says, Mike, unfortunately, I'm not a trader with more than 25,000 in the stock market. I hope to get that point, though. I'm also trying to find a way to avoid the PDT because my account. And that's exactly what I'm saying, guys. You know, that look, man, forget about that PDT. You come on, do that Mojo challenge with me. This firm right here has no PDT. You get 10-1 on your buying power. You do step 1, you do step 2, you get started. There's 3 levels. The minimum's 1,000. Most traders are doing level 2, starting with a minimum of like 3. You get 30 G's in buying power, plenty of buying power to make $500, $1,000 every day with me within an hour. Because that's what I'm doing. 5 G's, 50. You make $1,000 on the $5,000 account. It's worth $6,000. Your buying power is not 50, it's 60. Next day, you make $2,000. Whoa ho, you're at 8,000 in equity. You're at 80 grand in buying power, bro. You go to $10,000, which you do in all these other accounts, you're at 100,000 in buying power. At the other companies, they keep you at the same mark. That ain't cool. And they keep 30% of your profits. Here, you keep all of your profits. How is that possible? Because the firm makes money on the commissions, which is supposed to be the way. They're not supposed to make money off your profits and off the commissions. So what they do is they go like this. They go, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make trading company A come to my house. This is the education. This is the education building, the EDU. And B, dude, this is my bank. This is my bank. The B, A, N, K. Dude, this company is TBIO. This company is EWGB. Two different companies, dude. But the same guy owns them. Okay? So company B is making the money on the commish. Cha-ching. Company A is making money on the education. Cha-ching. And the bank is also taking a percentage of your profits. So they're charging you for the education, they're taking a percentage of the profits, and they're taking your money. Damn. MOJO has tried to partake and get away from that so you can keep all your profits. Commissions are a little bit lower. And that's the deal, dude. If you've got under 25,000, you come here, you start trading with the room. First thing you'll do is you'll join step 1 for $99 and you'll join the MOJO Day Trade Room. Then step 2, you'll download the TradeX and get started for the morning. Hope to see you in the morning. You know, the other trade rooms lose money every day. Mike makes money. Yeah, Barry, you do it with me, man. You do. And money, you got the swing letter. You did? Wow. How good is the swing picks, money? Don't put any out. But how unbelievable is MOJO always 1 week ahead, right? Always 1 week ahead. Amazing. Don't put out the picks, but dude, I got some good ones tonight. Let's see the newsletter from last week. Here's the newsletter from last week. From 315. The comic. Do you think you're overdoing it a little bit? MOJO swing trade newsletter in bed with the corona mask. I picked 20 picks. Every one of them went up. It did, every one of them. OPK. No, it didn't. That one didn't go. I thought it was going to go. Look at all that insider buying. I thought they were going to do the corona cure. They didn't. They had a test in 3 hours. The other company did it in 3 minutes. Dude, they had a test in 3 hours. I thought it would do good. Not all of them do good. This one did good. Went from 32 cents to $2. Waiter Holdings. I think it rebounds this week. OBCI went from $3.90 to $4 and change. They manufacture soap and cleaning for the automotive and marine industry. Everything is a coronavirus play. All cleaning supplies. And then e-learning was the week after. So I had GNC, which went from $1.08 to like $1.50. They do your immune system, right? Thought that would be in play. And then Alaya, they're a company that does IT and cloud like Slack and Zoom, a little one. That did do pretty good too. And then a China-based retail pharmaceutical offering drugs through 12 offline retailers. That one did good too. And then Papa John's, everybody was ordering pizza. That one went up huge. And then Domino's, same thing, 316. It went up through 350. It was crazy, dude. And then this one, Permafix, provides hazardous nuclear waste management for the government, dude, to get rid of waste. Oh my gosh, these picks, golden. Check it out, man. Let's see what we got for the swing, how we finished up for the month. So the month was the biggest month in Mojo history for the number of picks and what they did. The Dow ended down 915. Right now, futures are down 277. And I marked them before. So they were 258 before. Now they're 277. It was 33. Now they're down 31. So we're down another 200 in the morning. So we have Crone, love my weed picks. Crone and CGC. I should group them together. Let me do that because by date doesn't have to be anything. Because I got these babies for the long term. I got such good prices on these babies. So let me group the Crone and the CGC together because I got the Zynga and the Glue together. And those are two app companies for the mobile. So I got the Crone at $5.25 at 6. I got the $7 covered call. I'm looking good. Sale price $7.45, up 27% on that. Got the CGC at $13.80 is $14.50. Got that one too. Only one I'm down on is this ABM and this FSS. Oh, but I got some options on those too. And then I got the Tilray. I got the Tilray at $5.50 is $9.10. I got the Clorox at $165 is $73. I got the American Airlines at $14.50 is $14.04 with $3.10 in options. Man, everything's looking good there. These are the new picks down there. I don't want to show those to you. You could have saw them real quick. See that? You saw them real quick. They were in orange. Nobody did what happened to Skype? I don't know. Ask Ross, dude. Nobody did the TVIX at 38 all the way up to 1,000 in a few weeks. Only Mike saw it and everyone got in late. That's absolutely correct. Thank you for the shout out, Mr. Barry.
Knock. Who's there? Nailed it!
Did, baby. So, guys, I shared all these picks with everyone, and I didn't mind doing that. It really didn't hurt anyone in the newsletter because you had to really follow them. Either buy them all or set alerts and follow them to see which ones would go up. So I don't mind sharing at this time of the year and paying forward to all my guys in the restaurants and everybody. Because if I was hanging out at I'd give you my newsletter right now for free. I'd tell you all my picks tonight. Anybody I would. So I'll do that for everybody. Let's go through my newsletter and I'll show you what the future looks like for next week. You want to do that? Show you what the future looks like and go through the picks for next week? Because if they're anything like they were here last week from the 16th, it's the 29th, these picks have gone up unbelievable. Look, WTRH from 35 is up 200%. GLBS from 40 in a day up 100. Tilray nailed some there. Clorox, boom. Grill 29. C-Tech 50. WTRH 771% gain from 35 to 305. Job 40-20. And then we moved into Domino's, as I mentioned to you, from 40 to 50. Teva from 650 to 8. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Moved into the hospitals last week. Let me show you the picks on the 26th. These are all the picks on the 26th. From here to here. I shared every one with you guys. I shared every one. And on the 23rd too. Well, these are all the e-learning companies. 14%, 10%, 26, 14, 7, 5, 8, boom. Every one is a winner. Every one is a winner. Every one. These are all Dr. Pepper, Keurig, hospital, all hospitals, community hospitals, because hospitals, I figured everyone had the virus and we did the drugs. Now they're going to need a place to stay. And the hospitals did all amazing last week. When they go up, you got to take that profit, guys. And they went up nicely. Some of them went down, and we took a loss on the ones that went down. But the majority went up. Here's what I got going on tonight. This is what I think is going to be happening next week. Let's go to my 329 newsletter right here. Oh, I have it in PDF. Dudes, get out your pen and the paper, dude. Dante, no one's giving you these but the MOJO. I know, it's all right. I've been following Ross for 5 years, 6, 7 years, dude. After he copied me in my course 7 years ago. I don't care. You got your pen? You guys got your pen ready? I'll write these symbols down. All right, I'll have to give them to you. Futures are still down big. Did 114 trades, man. 99 right. Got some good ones tonight. All winners for next week. You know, I got like Nate from Investors Underground. Let me show. Let me show you like some of these other guys. I just got his picks. Go through his. I put it in the trash already, so let me just go there. Nate, here it is. Okay. Guys, if I went to FinViz and I went to the gainers list like this, and I went to this website called FinViz right here, and I just went to this gainers list right here, and I just copied this gainers list. He just takes all these stocks and puts them right on his following. That's what he's watch. Let's just copy these. And let's go to his picks. See how many in here are his. Okay. Hi guys, this is what I do. And that's how I do it. Hi, here's my video. Oh, CLVS. Feels like Algos came back and Friday, and it runs on the CLVS. Boom, boom, boom. So CLVS, seeing that Tilray, no CLVS in here. MNRA, no MNRA either. Two Two good ones, though. BLPH needs to be a Tops. Tops is in there. That's that one. Boeing, BA. I traded Boeing the other day, too. Boeing was down big. Maybe do some follow through. Nowhere. Play? No. HTZ? No. That was at 5. We traded that. Oh, that went all the way up to 10. Wow. Yeah, Hertz was banging down that day on 5. Smiles Direct. Uber. I like Uber. Uber's the only one I like so far on the list. Groupon. Yeah, Groupon could do some deals for some restaurants. SPCE. CRWD. You don't have none of them on the list. See that? Tilray. AYTU. Outperforming names. Zoom. TDoc. Work. Okay, nice. Whole shitting array of freaking stocks. Can't go, dude. He's definitely gonna hit one of those, dude. He's across every damn industry ever. How can you miss with that, dude? Definitely hitting one, dude. If I miss, I'm done. All my picks are exactly from the same industry, dude. Dude, if I picks are wrong, Mojo looks like shit. You want to see? But I'm willing to pull my pants down. I am. And show you what I got. Let me show you. On my desktop. Let me show you what I got going on. So my PDF went out like this tonight. Mojo and its employees is not an investment advisory service, nor a registered investment advisor, broker dealer, and does not purport to be or suggest which securities customers should buy or sell for themselves. Okay? Read this entire disclaimer. Such picks and alerts are not solicitations to buy. You should make your own informed decisions. You can lose all your money. The whole 9 yards. Everyone that trades loses. Examples represented on the companies are for educational purposes. This is all for education. That's the whole disclaimer. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Mojo Swing Trading Newsletter. The structure of the newsletter is displayed in this page. Every Sunday night, you're going to get 2 to 5 new swing picks, just like I'm giving you. But tonight, there's 9. The structure and how you buy the picks. The rules and my analysis. The markets over the past month have fulfilled the rewards to the long side on TVIX and UVXY, and those short the market. Oh yeah, that's what the Mojo position has been for the last 90 days. All great things take time and patience, and those that displayed this with picks were UVXY, Codex, NNVX, that was NNVC, Nanoviscerides, iBio, AGRX, COCP, ADRO, Box, BCRX, ZSAN, JDST, CGC, Crone, GLBS, WTRH, OBCI, PZZA, and many more. In the past 8 years, I have never been more active with picks than in the past few weeks. I've been able to pick the industry in favor before it becomes hot, from Codex and Nanoviscerides and NVC, early picks when Corona was first announced, to food delivery with IFMK, Apron, and the like, to e-learning with LRN, LOPE, BFAM, and the like, to hospitals, and now 3D printing. We know making money in the market is about timing and good stock selection. I'm going to show you how my system in any market makes the dollars. And this is the picks that we've closed for the month. A boatload of them. Here's the comic. I'm telling you, Pro Trader Mike is the best damn stock picker in the world. I agree. He did pick Teva and Plaquenil before anyone else. Black Death agrees with Corona. My top 9 picks. My number 1 pick is Nano Dimension. It's 85 cents. It's traded 249,000 shares. It's got only 400,000 shares in the float. It's tiny. It could go from 85 cents to $8. That's how powerful this stock is. It's got a new CEO right here, and they're an Israeli developer of 3D printers and ink materials for electronic circuit board printing. I don't know if you've seen this, but 3D printing is saving because they're making the masks and the shields for all the doctors, all the companies right here. Look, create till 15 hours ago. Father and son dentist, 3D printing. Montana Science, 3D printing. Making masks with the 3D printers, dude. See all that? See? Mojo's ahead of it all. So these companies right here are going to display the display right there. So you got that story, creatality right here. China, but I'm not buying right here. I would see this company, dude. Is that the? That's not the Crex because I have Crex. It can't be Crex. That's creative realities. Crex. This is Creality. I will not purchase any Chinese stocks ever again. No more China JoJo, no more China resources, none ever again. No more. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more. So I've got Nano Dimension. It's an Israeli developer of 3D printers. This baby can freaking rip. They're focused on 3D electronics, printing, and nanotechnology ink products. Its flagship product, the Dragonfly 220 3D printer, can print high-res, multi-layered circuit boards in a few hours, compared to weeks and months for others. Applications for Nano Dimension include sensors, antennas, magnets, and molded, interconnected devices, and now
Awesome sauce.
masks and shields.
Awesome.
The next one is Hewlett Packard. Big company at 1686. We got a tight stop here. I'm only playing one direction only on this puppy, guys. Looking for a risk reward of 80-cent risk and a positive $3 profit. That right there is 4-1, baby. 4-1. Only playing because they provide the technology and software to small and medium businesses. But and look at the one above it. It was a 10-1 risk reward. This is what they do, what I think is going on, okay? Although not strictly a 3D company, HP devotes some of its time in leveraging 3D technology for mainstream manufacturing. It's making inroads with its multi-jet fusion technology, and in 2017 unveiled the world's first state-of-the-art lab to companies to develop, test, and deliver next-generation applications for 3D printing. Looking ahead, the CEO plans to develop all this stuff, getting China out of there, 12 trillion sector, boom, boom, establishing HP's commitment to the 3D printing market. I got HP. Then I got this company, $78.10 a share. It's called Proto Labs. They make custom parts used by electronic firms in prototyping short-run phases of product development. Proto Labs launched its industrial-grade 3D printing services in 2014, and since then has become assisted developer, designer, and engineer moving from prototyping to low volume production, and in 2018 expanded manufacturing capacity with a new facility and machines in Minnesota. The lab specializes in rapid prototyping using 3 additives. Along with this, the manufacturing technology produces plastic parts using 3D carbon DLS laser methods. The company has 8 manufacturing locations in 3 continents with its global headquarters in Minnesota, and it calls itself the fastest digital manufacturer of prototypes all over the world. 26% owned by funds, 57% owned by funds, 26 million in the float, earnings coming out on the 25th of April. PRLB, volume 380,000. Then you've got this big behemoth, 3D Systems, the creme de la creme, $7.42.
Sweet.
Mama, these are good picks, huh? Told you guys, right? The Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. I'm sharing the love of my research and my members that are paying money for these picks. They're all going to get them, but they wouldn't mind in these times that I'm helping people that may need to make money first and me to prove myself before becoming a member. Hey, there it is live again. I applaud my decision. I'm with you. Who's saying hit the road? Hit the road, China. That's right. Better ask somebody. I'm telling you. Triple D's. It's all in the news, dude. Making the headlines. Making the news. Nice. I think someone just joined. Yeah, you're welcome for them picks, baby. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Man, you love it. Triple D. Love them triple Ds, baby. Yeah, I can show you them triple Ds. You want to see those triple Ds, dude? I got double Ds. You want to see triple Ds? Damn. Show you them triple Ds. Pretty big, man. This is a big, 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 big stock winner right here. They manufacture printing, prototyping, and manufacturing systems to produce 3D objects from computer data. It's a $1.15 billion market cap, and since 1983, 3D Systems has been providing 3D products and services. It includes everything from 3D printers and print materials to parts and services and design tools. As a printer manufacturer, naturally, 3D Systems aims to simplify the process through streamlining the supply chain for manufacturers. It accomplishes both by providing the raw materials such as metal powder and plastic filament and computer numerical control machining. 3D Systems covers industries with products such as manufacturing, design and engineering, 3D scanning, and
Dude, you just nailed it.
healthcare.
Oh, nailed it.
742, baby. Every one of these are all in the same industry. So if I'm wrong, I got pie on my face. But I haven't been wrong in a long time. So, dude, I could hit it wrong, but I don't think I am, dude. SSYS, they manufacture desktop 3D printers for idea and design development, various systems, and rapid prototyping. It's a $1.6 billion market cap. They're in the 3D printing business since '88, operating primarily in the healthcare.
Sweet.
Can't believe it.
That's pure awesome. Awesome. Awesomeness. Oh yeah, pour it on. That's awesome sauce. That is so awesome.
Can't believe it.
Wow. Wow. Just wow.
I can't believe it. Healthcare. Do I even need to read on? At a global scale, the company holds 600 granted it in pending additive and oh my goodness gracious. You never even heard of that company before. What about this one? Materialize. Boom, it's there. Materialize. I made it. Doom, it's there. Materialize, like magic. What a great name. $14.73. Holy crap, that's pretty good. And they're growing at 138%. Imagine with this stuff, they're going to grow at 500%. What the hell do they do? Materialize has been providing software solutions and 3D printing for 25 years. It's a Belgium-based company that prides itself on 3D printing. Dude, Mojo's got it. Next one. X1 makes 3D printing machines and products to Pacific Actions. Hold on. Makes 3D printing machines and printing products to specifications for customers using in-house 3D printers. Founded in 2005, X1's business mainly entails making and selling 3D printing machines. It uses its proprietary binder jetting technology. Ching! ONVO develops three-dimensional bioprinting technology to create tissue on demand. Organo uses 3D printing technology to create three-dimensional functional human tissues for medical research and surgical therapeutic operations. Holy mama chiquita banana. I got some good fruit in the basket. It's 29 cents. Looking to go a lot higher. Increase earnings estimates for 2 years. Look at this one. 83 cents. VJet, Voxelajet, manufactures this large format 3D printing on demand to the industrial and commercial markets. It's a 48 million cap with 24 million in the float, increased estimates. They manufacture 3D printing for industrial applications. Bang, zoom to the moon, baby. And that's the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter for this week, March 29th, 2020, shared with the public. Better ask somebody, baby, because that's what I like to do. Woohoo, mama. When I go live and you subscribe, you get notified. Nice. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. Thank you, Dustin. Thanks, Charles. 3D printing. Yeah, man. Now everybody's like, needs to make masks all day long, all day night. Just leave the machines running. Keep on printing them and delivering them and charging money for them after a play. You can only do it free for so long because, you know, Trump extended the thing. So if he's got like, we're going to extend it from now until the end of April. Dude, it's May, June. They're going to open things up, dude. I feel so bad. I really am sad, dude. Sad. You know who I'm sad for, kind of? I'm sad for salespeople that are on, like, my old job. Like, advertising sales. Guys that do advertising for, like, you know, industries now that are, like, ooh, bad. Dude, you're on commish. You're hurting, dude. Car salesman. Dude, that worked in the dealerships. You're making your money on commish. Waiters and tips and all that, dude. Or anybody in sales and like that. Oh my goodness gracious. Feel so bad for you, dude. I don't know what I would be doing right now if I didn't have my day trading job where I can log in 60 minutes, an hour, and make money out of the stock market with my system, with other people's money. It's unbelievable. Otherwise, I'd be playing poker online. And that'd be on all day and all night, making a fraction of the money because of variance. What other jobs, dude? Hurting right now. Dude, I went to the golf course just to see if there was anyone sneaking out, dude. The golf, dude. Oh my, I'm so upset, dude. I got my books. I can't even go. Look, thank gosh, these are all my rounds in the last, like, month, dude. Right here. Gosh. I've got all my rounds, dude. All my rounds. I can go look. These are all my rounds in the last, like, 3 months. I keep track of everything, so I can go look and dream. I swing the club every day. I swung it today. Every time I go in my bathroom, I'm swinging, but with not a club. Dude, I can't wait to play golf again. So that's hurting. Basketball games, my kids' baseball games, schools, teachers. Well, teachers still teach online and they get that action going. They have that online version now. I can do that. But dude, the guys that work on the New York Stock Exchange, there's no jobs for them when they come back. No. It's all going to be electronic, man. Thanks, Guillermo. Listen, I'm ready to trade tomorrow. I showed everybody how to trade. I shared my swing picks with it. I shared everything. I got that coronavirus special. No reason why you shouldn't join. I was supposed to be live on Ticker Talker tonight. I wasn't again. So, dudes, yeah. Totally done with that. So much time and effort into everything. Triple D over 790 to the moon. Oh my gosh, Dante Rico. Dude, you know what's going to be funny, Dante? Who's going to talk about Triple D tomorrow when it's on no gap scanner, no trade ideas, no e-signal, no IB, no. Who's going to come out with it after it starts to move a little bit, right? Where did it come from? Nobody's going to know. You know where they got it from? The MOJO. So guys, all I got to say is keep it profitable. Check out more of my videos. After my show, I'll have 2 pop up right above your head right there. That'll be like the last show and the other show's good for you. Check out my shows just to verify that everything I'm talking about is the same in each show. And I'm going to be here tomorrow morning at 8:30 because I can't wait to get up and trade. To see what's hot and what's not, what's the biggest gainers, what my 3D printing stocks are all looking like, which one out of the group is the rockin' sockin' machine. And the only way you're going to find that out firsthand is by coming in the MOJO Day Trade room and trading with me in there. join in my subscription so you can get both of my services. So until then, subscribe, follow me on social media. Peace, keep it profitable, and have a very safe night. Wash your hands before you go to bed and every time you come in your house, which I've been doing as well. So be safe. I'll see you in the morning, guys. Thanks. Peace.